Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Today we're going to show you how to do the service light reset on this 2008 Nissan Qashqai. It's the same on most of the Qashqais with the normal key ignition there. But as you can see, we've got the counter there flashing at minus 16,000. Now all we need to do is we're going to press and hold the trip button that on there while turning the ignition on. So to start with, we'll turn the ignition off. I'll press and hold that button and turn the ignition on. Let's do that quick now. Right, now that we've done that, the mileage there is flashing. And while that's flashing, release the button and press the button again, and that's reset it there to 12.5. So if you now just turn the ignition off and back on, you can see that counter's all reset. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.